Habit 1. Morning air exchange. Japanese health guidelines recommend something beautifully simple: opening your windows first thing each morning. Fresh air circulation boosts oxygen levels and improves focus by 15%, according to these traditional practices. Think about the air in your bedroom after 8 hours of sleeping. It's stale, depleted of oxygen, filled with the carbon dioxide you've been exhaling all night. Opening windows creates an immediate exchange that wakes your cells more effectively than any alarm clock. Pair this with 3 deep breaths at the open window. Feel cool morning air filling your lungs completely. This combination takes less than 2 minutes, but provides an instant energy reset. Your mood lifts naturally when your body receives the oxygen it craves after a night of rest. Habit 2. Daily gratitude. Research adapted from the Harvard Grant study shows that gratitude practices reduce depression risk by 25%. The Japanese practice of Kansha takes this further, actively thanking the sun, your food, loved ones, even difficulties that taught you something valuable. Some practitioners bow toward the sunrise, others simply pause before eating to appreciate the hands that grew and prepared their food. The form matters less than the genuine feeling of thankfulness cultivated daily. Gratitude rewires your brain over time. You begin noticing abundance rather than lack. Small pleasures become visible again. This final habit ties everything together, approaching life with appreciation rather than constant striving. Habit 3. Deep soaking bath. She comes home exhausted, shoulders tight from hunching over her desk all day. Instead of collapsing on the couch with her phone, she fills the bathtub. This nightly ritual transforms everything about how her body prepares for sleep. Japanese bathing studies from 2020 showed that 15 to 20 minutes of warm soaking reduces insomnia by up to 30%. The tradition involves cleansing first, showering completely, then entering the bath purely for relaxation. This mirrors the onsen hot spring experience that has shaped Japanese wellness for centuries. The warmth dilates blood vessels, improving circulation throughout your body. Muscles release tension they've held all day. Your mind follows your body's cues and begins unwinding naturally. Water temperature matters. Aim for comfortably warm rather than scorching hot. Add nothing if you prefer simplicity, or a handful of mineral salts for that authentic onsen feeling. Habit 4. Morning cleaning. Zen monks have understood something for centuries that modern research now confirms. A study in the Journal of Environmental Psychology from 2019 found that daily cleaning reduces stress by 20% among Japanese workers. 5 minutes of tidying upon waking creates mental clarity that lasts hours. This practice, called souji, isn't about achieving perfection. It's about starting your day with intentional movement and order. Make your bed, wipe down the bathroom counter, put away items that migrated during yesterday's chaos. These small actions signal to your brain that you're in control of your environment. Something shifts psychologically when you begin each morning creating order rather than reacting to disorder. The physical movement wakes your body gently, while the visible results give you an immediate sense of accomplishment before the day's demands even begin. Habit 5. Forest bathing. Picture yourself walking slowly through a quiet forest path. Sunlight filters through leaves above you, birds call somewhere in the distance. Your phone stays in your pocket. This is Shinrin-Yoku, and it's far more powerful than a casual stroll. A Japanese Ministry of Agriculture study found that just 20 to 30 minutes of forest bathing reduces stress hormones by 12.4% and boosts natural killer immune cells by 50% after 2 days. Dr. Ching-Li documented these findings extensively in his 2018 book Forest Bathing, showing improved sleep and creativity among regular practitioners. Habit 6. Mindful hand-washing. What if the most mundane act of your day became a moment of peace? Misogi transforms ordinary hand-washing into a purification ritual rooted in Shinto tradition. Feel the water's temperature. Notice how it flows over your skin. Breathe slowly while you cleanse. This practice creates a triple effect. It calms your nervous system, maintains hygiene, and builds connection to present moment awareness. Throughout your day, you wash your hands dozens of times. Each occasion becomes an opportunity to pause, reset, and release accumulated tension. The deliberate attention matters more than duration. Even 30 seconds of truly mindful washing interrupts stress patterns and brings you back to your body. I'd love to know in the comments what ordinary daily task could you transform into a mindful ritual? Habit 7. Morning exercise. Since 1928, Japanese radio stations have broadcast a 5-minute calisthenics routine called Radio Taiso. NHK surveys from 2020 found that 90% of participants reported improved happiness from this simple practice. Schools, workplaces, and community groups gather each morning to move together. The exercises themselves are gentle: arm circles, side bends, light jumping, stretching movements. Nothing requires equipment or special clothing. The routine improves flexibility and circulation while being accessible for every age and fitness level. Research links regular participation to lower rates of chronic disease. There's something profound about starting your day with movement your body can actually enjoy, rather than dreading. You can find Radio Taiso videos online and follow along in your living room. 5 minutes. That's all it takes to wake up your muscles and lift your morning mood. Habit 8. Matcha Ritual. The whisking motion becomes meditative. Bright green powder transforms into frothy liquid. Steam rises, carrying an earthy, grassy scent. A 2021 study in the Nutrients Journal found that matcha contains 137 times more antioxidants than regular green tea and reduces anxiety by 25%. But the ritual matters as much as the drink itself. Heating water to the right temperature, sifting powder to prevent clumps, whisking in deliberate zigzag patterns until foam forms. These focused actions quiet mental chatter naturally. You can't worry about tomorrow's meeting while paying attention to your whisking technique. The result is both a calming practice and a genuinely healthy beverage that provides sustained energy without the jitters coffee often causes. Habit 9. Ikigai. She wakes before her alarm, genuinely excited about something small. Teaching her niece to bake bread this weekend, finishing a watercolor she started, solving a problem at work that's been puzzling her. This feeling has a name: Ikigai. The Okinawa centenarian research from 2017 found that having Ikigai increases life satisfaction by 30%. Hector Garcia explored this concept beautifully in his 2016 book, Ikigai, The Japanese Secret to a Long and Happy Life. Purpose doesn't require grand ambitions. It asks only that something makes you want to get out of bed. Reflect each morning on what excites you about the day ahead. It might be tiny: a conversation with a friend, a meal you'll cook, progress on a project, connecting with purpose. However small, transforms how you move through your hours. Habit 10. Eat until 80% full. There's a phrase spoken before meals in Okinawa that changed how I think about eating entirely. Hara hachibu means eat until 80% full. It sounds simple, almost too simple. But National Geographic's Blue Zones research from 2005 identified this practice as a cornerstone of Okinawan longevity. Here's what makes this counterintuitive. Stopping before fullness actually leads to greater satisfaction over time. By pausing at 80%, you give your body time to catch up. The World Health Organization reported in 2022 that Japan's obesity rate sits at just 5.4% compared to the global average of 13%. This isn't about restriction or counting calories. It's about trusting your body's signals and eating with awareness rather than distraction. Try putting your chopsticks down between bites. Notice how food actually tastes when you're paying attention. These 10 habits share one beautiful truth. Self-care doesn't require complexity or expense. Pick just one practice that resonated with you. Perhaps the morning air exchange or eating until 80% full, and commit to it for 1 week. Notice what shifts in your energy and mood. Then add another. Which habit will you try first? Tell me in the comments below.